Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Kids Sewing Machines is probably one of the most rewarding gifts you can give your child aged 8 to 12, fostering creativity, fine motor skills, and a lifelong passion for crafting. This video will guide you through the top picks on the market, considering factors like ease of use, safety features, durability, and of course, the fun factor, ensuring your young sewer has a positive and productive experience. Number 5. So Mighty Mini. It's small, it's mighty, and it's perfect for beginners. This machine is easy to use and ideal for learning to sew. This user-friendly sewing machine is loaded with features to make sewing simple and fun. It's affordable and perfect for basic sewing projects. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewer, it's great for quick repairs and small projects. Its portability makes it perfect for travel. It has an automatic bobbin winder, a built-in light, a cuff notch, and a thread tension controller. Plus, it has a 2-speed motor for versatile sewing. It's lightweight and easily portable. It runs on standard AC power or batteries, making it perfect for sewing on the go. Batteries and shoulder bag not included. Everything comes in the box: the machine, power adapter, foot pedal, bobbins with thread, empty bobbins, and a spare needle. You're ready to sew right away. What we like? It is lightweight and can be powered by batteries, making it perfect for travel or quick fixes. If you are looking for a versatile machine that can go anywhere, this is the one for you. This machine's dual speed settings make it suitable for both beginners and those who want more control over their sewing projects. What people say? It's so small and lightweight, but I've been able to make many masks, pajama shorts, and even a baby blanket. It comes with an extender table, a few bobbins, some with thread and some empty, a needle threader, and a foot pedal. It is lightweight, runs on 4AA, or via a wall socket. Number 4. My very own sewing machine. Get ready to unleash your inner designer. This sewing machine is perfectly sized for young crafters and comes with everything you need to start creating. It's designed with kids in mind. With its simple controls, 2 speeds, and safety features, it's easy to learn and fun to use. Your safety is our priority. It includes finger guards and a safety light, so you can sew with confidence. Don't worry if you're a beginner, the illustrated instructions guide you through 10 different projects, step by step. Learn to sew pillows, toys, and even clothes. It's a great way to express your creativity and learn a valuable life skill. It comes with fabric, thread, measuring tape, stuffing, and even a needle threader, everything you need to get started right away. What we like? This sewing machine comes with everything you need to get started, including fabric, thread, and a project booklet. If you are a beginner and want to learn to sew, this kit is perfect for you. It includes everything you need to start creating your own projects, making it a great way to learn a new skill and have fun. What people say? Sewing machine, thin fabric, durable, easy use. This machine is a great little sewing tool. Lightweight so it is easy for her to carry around by herself. Easy to use that she's able to put it together herself. Speed is perfect for any new beginner. Number 3. Mini Sewing Machine Kit. It's more than just a sewing machine, it's a complete kit designed for both kids and adults. Everything you need to start your sewing journey is included. It's small and easy to use, perfect for beginners. The simple design and adjustable speed make it manageable for all skill levels. You can power it with batteries or plug it in, giving you flexibility to sew wherever you are. It's convenient and portable. This kit is packed with everything you need: fabric, thread, needles, and even a helpful guidebook. You'll be ready to start sewing right away. With this kit, you can create beautiful handmade projects. The included book provides patterns and instructions for 10 different projects to inspire you. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays or holidays. It's fun, educational, and encourages creativity. What we like? It includes a wide variety of sewing supplies, including fabric, thread, and tools. If you're looking for a complete sewing kit that offers great value for money, this is the best choice. The abundance of supplies ensures you have everything you need to start sewing right away. What people say? My 11-year-old loves it and has been sewing anything and everything she can get her hands on. Have had zero issues with it and still sewing 10 months later. The thread cutter on the machine works. It's a bit awkwardly placed, but works. To change the thread, you must unscrew a knob and not lose a large spring that might also come off easy to place back on. Operates by batteries or plug-in. Must remove batteries if using the plug. Great beginner sewing machine. Purchased this for my 11-year-old. She loves it and uses it often. Number 2. Wyncor Miraculous Ladybug Sewing Machine. Welcome to the world of sewing. This lightweight machine is perfect for beginners, making it easy and fun to create your own designs, just like Marinette. It features a sturdy double thread design for stronger stitches and effortless sewing. Adjust the speed to match your comfort level. Sew with confidence. It includes a finger guard and a built-in light for enhanced visibility and safety. Power it with the included adapter or use batteries for ultimate portability. Choose between button or foot pedal operation. Make it your own. For sticker sheets, let you customize it with Ladybug, Marinette, or cat and more themes. This complete kit includes everything you need: needles, bobbins, fabrics, a mannequin, mask cutouts, and more, all in one box. It's an officially licensed Miraculous Ladybug product from Wyncor, ensuring high quality and durability for years of creative fun. What we like. This sewing machine is designed with a fun theme that kids will love. If your child is a fan of the Miraculous Ladybug series, this is a great way to introduce them to sewing. The safety features will give you peace of mind while your child learns this new skill. What people say. This works almost like a big actual sewing machine. It doesn't drop stitches and it sews really well. I also really love it has a slow setting and a finger guard. It comes with a power cord and pedal. However, after plugging the pedal into the machine, it did not work. We had to rely on pressing the power button on the machine to get it to go. Number 1. Mini Sewing Machine Kit. It's more than just a sewing machine, it's a complete kit designed for both kids and adults. Everything you need to start creating is included. This machine is small and easy to use, perfect for beginners. Its compact size makes it ideal for any space. It offers adjustable speed and dual power options for more control over your sewing. You can easily adjust it to your preferred pace. The kit includes 122 pieces, from fabric and thread to essential tools. Everything you need to get started is right here. It's lightweight and portable, making it perfect for travel or taking to classes. You can easily take it anywhere. Included is an illustrated guidebook with 10 easy-to-follow projects. It's perfect for learning new sewing techniques. What we like. This kit offers incredible value with a wide array of sewing supplies included. If you want a complete sewing experience with all the necessary tools and materials, this is the perfect choice. The abundance of supplies ensures you have everything you need to start sewing right away. What people say. It comes with a 48-piece accessory kit, making it great for a variety of projects. The dual speed settings offer flexibility. Whether you're working on simple repairs or small crafting tasks, you can adjust the speed to your comfort level. It's simple to set up and use, which is perfect for adults new to sewing. The stitch quality is decent for basic projects, and the machine has a nice range of functions, like threading and reverse stitching. It has everything you need to start sewing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.